Upgrading a weapon blueprint's star rating can be accomplished by following a few steps. To begin, locate a blueprint, which can have a star rating ranging from 1 to 6. Many people believe that going beyond 3 stars is not worth the effort. But for those who want to upgrade, the process is relatively simple. To do so, obtain a few more legendary blueprints, which can be acquired through a wish machine found in save zones or by crafting one using the logistics menu. The wish machine can be built inside a base at a relatively low cost, and it allows for the purchase of blueprints or the chance to play games to obtain fragments needed for upgrades. The process of upgrading a blueprint is the same for weapons and armor. Once a few legendary blueprints have been obtained, open the blueprint menu and find the specific blueprint to be upgraded. Right-click on the blueprint to view its details and enhancements. Then select the Enhancement option and click on Beyond Blueprint Fragment. This will show the available XP and allow for the selection of specific fragments or all of them. A status bar will indicate the progress toward obtaining the required fragments, which are needed to enhance the blueprint. In this case, 1,600 fragments are required to increase the star rating. To summarize, forming legendary blueprints and enhancing them through the menu is the key to upgrading a weapon or armor blueprint's star rating. The process involves accessing the blueprint menu, right-clicking on the desired blueprint, and selecting the Enhancement option to obtain the necessary fragments.